Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in networking, security, and firewall configuration, this video is for you. Today, we will configure FortiAP with FortiGate Firewall step by step. Go to Wi-Fi and switch controller, then SSIDs for create new SSID. Under the Wi-Fi SSID tab, click Create New for SSID or Wi-Fi Create. Fill in the following SSID fields as needed, like name for the SSID interface. Set the name which are broadcasting as Wi-Fi OS SSID. Traffic mode offers three options: tunnel for traffic through the controller, bridge for traffic on the local LAN, and mesh for traffic via wireless backhaul. In my lab we have selected bridge mode. Under Wi-Fi settings, enter a name for SSID. This is the name that is shown when the SSID is broadcast. By default, this field contains Fortinet. You can limit the number of clients allowed on an SSID. In this video, I set it to 100 users. Enable broadcast of SSID. Security mode, choose the wireless security type. Users must match it to connect. I selected WPA2 Personal. Pre-shared key is available only when security mode is set to WPA2 Personal. Choose single mode to configure the key or passphrase. If you have Radius server, select the Radius server that will authenticate the clients. If you enable security profiles such as antivirus or application control, you can manage them here. In the Schedule tab, the SSID broadcasts continuously by default, but you can set a time limit for AP broadcasting. Optional VLAN ID, enter the VLAN ID associated with this SSID. Enter 0 if the SSID is not part of a VLAN. Click OK to save the SSID configuration. After that, you can create multiple SSIDs by following the next steps. Unbox the FortiAP and connect a UTP cable through a post switch as shown in the image. The FortiAP will be managed by the FortiGate. Power on the FortiAP, navigate to Wi-Fi and switch controller, then Managed FortiOps. Navigate to Managed FortiAP, you will see the AP in unauthorized state. Now authorize FortiAP, select the FortiAP and click Authorize to allow it to be managed by FortiGate. After authorization, it takes time to go online. Meanwhile, double-click the AP to configure. Now set a name for identify the AP, set your preferable name and set a comments like AP01. In the Firmware tab you will shown the AP model and AP firmware version. In wireless settings we have to change default AP profile. Click Edit for create a new AP profile. FortiAP profile configuration, set indoor and HTTPS and SSH allow access. In Radio 1 tab, set brand and channel plan with channels. In channel plan there is 3 option: custom and 3 channel like 1611. In brand for 2.4 GHz you will show available option for radio. Transmit power mode is set %. SSIDs have 3 mode. In the slab we have set bridge mode, you also set tunnel mode. In SSID we have to select manual for add SSID. Click the plus button, then select the SSID you created earlier. For radio 2 we have to set SSID as like radio 1, radio 2 are using 5 GHz channels. For Radio 3 we have to set SSID as like Radio 1 if AP supported Wi-Fi 6 or 6 GHz. In this AP not supported Wi-Fi 6, that why not set SSID. Click OK for save the AP profile configure. Now we are able to see AP is up with new configuration like SSID, channel, firmware version and other. Wi-Fi or SSID already broadcasting to serve the services. From the laptop, connect to the new SSID using the previously configured password. While connected the new SSID, go to Properties for checking network information. Open command prompt to check ping reachability gateway. Go to the Wi-Fi Clients tab to view the list of active clients and detailed information about each one. Here is shown IP address, MAC address, AP model with serial number, SSID name, device name, channel and other details. Go to the Managed FortiAP tab to view the current status of APs graphically. In the Radio tab you will shown the AP radio current status. Here is shown 3 radio status with all details like channel, SSID name, brand, AP status and other. Today we successfully configured a FortiAP with a FortiGate Firewall, including SSID, AP profile, and firewall policy setup. I hope this video helps you understand enterprise wireless deployment and centralized Wi-Fi management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technical videos.